noticed this thing right here loose on the brush cutter today. You know, like I said, it's always something. And if you look right here, real close, look, see right here? Look at that. That's not good. So that's going to have to be fixed, and that's what I bought this welder for, this kind of thing right here. So we're fitting to run the first. We're gonna try it out on this. So, and I don't know a whole lot about, but this thing right here is badass. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna get my my grinding wheel. I need to put y'all on top of this thing somewhere. You'll see it right there. So I want to pick it up just a little bit, wedge something underneath it, but we need to clean it off real good, man. It's bad. So, well, that's pretty bad right there, man. That's some thick metal, man, to break. I wonder what the hell and it's on the inside. I think something got wedged in between them and broke it right there, right? Something probably got wedged in between them two. Otherwise, how would you even break that, man? I tell you what, though, if it can be broke, Ray will find a way to break it, man. I'm telling you. I like that, man. Now, one thing I want to say is I have not done any arc welding, stick welding, since I was in high school. So I don't know how good this is going to be or whatever. But I'm going to have to get on that side over there. I don't know how it's going to do. I don't know. So I'm using 7/18 rods. They're supposed to be the best ones for this kind of welder. Whoa, boy, that gets hot quick, man. Wow. Not gonna be pretty for sure, but I guarantee that shit's gonna hold. It's burning in good, man. Damn. Shit to get used to too. Turn my helmet up some. It's a little bit bright. Okay, y'all, I know I'm gonna have some welders come in and tell me, man, that looks like shit. And you're right, I agree. But I know this, I guarantee you that's gonna hold. But it's definitely gonna take me some practice to get better. When I was in high school, I could run a bead, a triple bead, any kind of bead with stick rod. I never even used the MIG welder until I bought the one I got. And I was 35 years old when I bought that one. So this is the first time I've stick welded since high school. and it's going to hold for sure. But I can do better, and I'll get better. Practice makes perfect, man. I knew it was going to be a little bit of a challenge, but make no mistake, that will hold. It just ain't going to pass no freaking, visual test. But that thing right there is very powerful, man. It burned. Y'all saw it, man. It burns in good. I mean, that thing is stout. That's kind of a bad design right there, though, because what they've done is they bent the metal up a little bit right there. When really what they should have done is they should have put a brace from here to here, so that won't fold up that metal right there, see? Or welded something to here to hold it down to where it won't bend up. That's the only thing holding the push bar. It ain't like it's, something else. It is a push bar. And that's, that's not very strong right there. It looks strong. It's strong compared to what most people would do, but it ain't strong when you put this thing up against a tree with that big old machine behind it, So, yeah, a lot of things I'm going to be able to do with this. Y'all saw, I mean, it burns in as soon as you hit it. So everything that I do now is going to hold on this heavy stuff. There's no way that my MIG welder would have done that without heating it up. So, yeah, y'all, deuces.